How to add Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issues to add Bitcoin on a Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add Bitcoin on a Zengo wallet, first of all open Zengo app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply tap on receipt button. After you click on the receipt button, just select Bitcoin or BTC. Select the first option. You will see a Zengo BTC address and a QR code. Copy the address or share the QR code with the sender or exchange the platform. If you are depositing from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, use the deposit from exchange feature in Zengo. Follow the prompts and confirm the transfer. Zengo supports standard BTC address including the 3 starting P2SH, so your funds will arrive securely. Just make sure to send Bitcoin only to your Bitcoin address. Zengo won't recognize their tokens or networks, and you need some Bitcoins balance to withdraw or swap later. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Bitcoin on Zengo app. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.